Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the fundamental concept in Java that every developer should know about, primitive and wrapper classes. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about primitive types. In Java, we have these simple data types that are not objects. They are called primitives. They include Boolean, which is for true or false, char, which is for single character, like for example, letter A, or special character at, or a single number 5, and int for whole number like 100 and -50 as well. Double for decimal numbers like 3.14, 2.71. Those are the examples of primitive types. These primitive types are faster and efficient, but they have a limitations. They don't come with methods. They are like raw materials, useful but a bit basic. Now, here comes the exciting part. Um, to overcome these limitations for primitive types, Java provides wrapper classes. Think of wrapper classes as a way to wrap a primitive type into an object. This transformation allows primitives to have methods and be used in collections like ArrayList. Here's the list. Boolean becomes the capital B and followed by the Boolean, and character in primitive types is this, and in wrapper classes it's mentioned as this way: character C in capital letter, followed by integer I in capital and double D in capital. These wrapper classes provide a wealth of methods that can make manipulating data a breeze. Alright, let's jump into some code to see these concepts in action. Here's a simple Java program that demonstrates primitive and wrapper classes. As you can see, I have mentioned primitive bool as true and a character example as a special character art, and then followed by integer value with 123 and double value as 3.14. As you can see, these are the example of primitive types which are directly assigned and used directly. Wrapper classes can also be directly assigned but not extracted directly. Wrapper classes give us a set of inbuilt functions that can be used, as I mentioned. So moving on to wrapper class assigning, you can assign values directly this way, or you can call the value of function, putting the already existing boolean value to it, followed by same for the character and integer, then double as well. As you can see, I've just called the value of function and passing on the primitive types a variable to this function. This will be assigning the values. Yes, using these methods, I am just printing the values. Here you can see I'm using the other functions like toString, character value, hash code, is infinity. All these functions are inbuilt in wrapper classes. Okay, so I'm just gonna print this. Before that, let me comment this. So yeah, and I'll run and show. As you can see, the values of wrapper boolean, wrapper character, wrapper integer, wrapper double, all these are printed here. Okay. These are actually, there's a method, this is actually comes under autoboxing and unboxing. These are automatic conversions in Java. Autoboxing is when the Java compiler automatically converts a primitive type into its corresponding wrapper class. Unboxing is the reverse where the compiler converts the class back into the primitive type. For instance, when you assign an int to an integer, okay, autoboxing happens. When you retrieve the int values from the integer, unboxing occurs. Let's see this in action, okay? Here, the primitive unread is automatically boxed into integer. As you can see, it is assigned directly. And then here, unboxing happens. The integer is automatically unboxed into a primitive int. And then I'm printing it out. Let me run and show you this as well. As you can see, the unread is printed here. Primitive types are efficient and simple, but wrapper classes bring a whole new level of functionality with their methods. Understanding how to use both can make you more versatile Java developer. So next time you need to use collection of methods with your Java types, remember the power of wrapper classes. That's it for today's tutorial. I have mentioned the GitHub link for all the code in the description below. If you enjoy this video, give it up a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Happy coding!